What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, I'm Shad, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure to do that. And if you like the content, make sure you hit that like button on your way out. Today's a pretty chill day, not too much going on. I want to talk about these bad boys right here, which are the Air Max Day, Air Max 1s, the Wabi-Sabis, which I picked up off of GOAT a few weeks ago. Just got them in last week. So, definitely want to talk about these. Also, shouts out to my man, Mr. JStar25. I see that he posted a new fresh video. One of my favorite sneaker YouTubers. Me and the guy have chopped it up many times. I consider him a friend. He's a good dude. So if you guys haven't checked out his channel, make sure you do that. He's an OG in the sneaker game. A lot of good content, a lot of good conversation, definitely different than just a sneaker review. So if you're into that kind of stuff, please make sure you check out his channel. First things first, I just want to call out that the last couple of days, I've been rocking these blazers. And I will say that patent leather, can y'all see that? Can y'all check that out? It's holding up really, really well. That not even increasing. So if you were concerned about that patent leather on this shoe, I would say it's a go. You don't have to worry about it. Look at that. Still looks good. And like I said, they've been worn. I just came back from a dentist appointment and good money. So the Nike Sacai Blazer lows and the patent leather, they passed the crease test for sure. So these bad boys right here, released on March 26th. And they were an Asia and Latin America exclusive, I believe. And this is actually a women's release as well. So I had to get these in a 13, which is a men's 11 and a half, which still might be just a tad bit too small for me. But I have maybe one or two pairs of Air Max 1s in 11.5. So, I'll definitely give these a go. But I fell in love. This is my favorite colorway of the three that released. The other colorway is the Blueprint colorway, which I believe is the US release. And then I can't remember if the other one's a Europe specific release or a Europe exclusive release or not, but I didn't really care for that one much at all. But this was the one. This is the one I had my eyes on. And, March 26th came and passed, and, we didn't see them anywhere around here. You didn't see it on the Nike app or anything like that, of course, or the sneakers app. And so I hit the market and got these off of GOAT. Resale is a couple of hundred over retail. I don't know what that's going to look like down the road, but I wanted to get my hands on them before it got crazy. And the details on this shoe are amazing. Starting things off, like you've got the smiley instead of the Nike Air on the back. A lot of people don't really like that too much, but I think it's cool and creative. I like different spins on the shoe. Classic silhouettes need to be changed up every once in a while. And then also another thing is the actual, the threading across the shoe is much thicker than before. So the whole Wabi-Sabi concept is like perfection in imperfection, right? Like, so there's beauty in imperfection. And, this shoe kind of displays that here. You've got different cuts of material. You've got premium suede, canvas, and leather. And then you've got switching the alternate color blocking on each shoe. So the right shoe is different than the left shoe. Actual insoles are different colors. You've got this cream on the right, and then you've got this more of a darker orange on the left shoe. The 35, so it resembles the Roman numerals 35, which is the 35th anniversary of the Air Max 1. A really clean touch. And then you've got the cracks on the midsole. So it gives that gold finish, that gold repair finish. You see it a lot on like pottery. I think my mom used to actually have a pot that was repaired and had that gold lining throughout, the gold cracks and stuff like that, which looked really nice. It was really cool. And on here, it's more like just like a paint. It's painted on. So it's not too much going on. We probably could have did without that, but I get the idea behind it totally. Gum soles. What can we say about gum outsoles, man? They're essential. There are certain things in a sneaker that are just timeless and classic. White on white Air Force Ones, gum outsoles. I approve the gum outsole. On the tongue, you've got these little inserts that have little cards that you can put in there. They're different from the left and the right shoe. if Nike made additional inserts, that'd be even doper. You can switch it out, and maybe that's what I'll do is maybe customize some little inserts and put them in there. You know, thought to y'all sneaker customizers out there, if you guys want to create those little inserts for this shoe, you know, something cool that we can put in, maybe like the Wu-Tang symbol or something like that. I'd be down with that. You know, on the laces, not regular laces. They got more of a tweed feel to them, more premium. Overall, just a good shoe. Retail was $150 on this one. And, you know, I think it's really worth it. You know, I love it when Nike creates these concepts, you know, and really get wild with it. So this was a good release. Also, you know, you've got the swoosh on the toe here, which is actually not like a clean swoosh that you normally would see stitched in. Again, adding to that Wabi-Sabi concept. All right, so that's pretty much all that I have for this one, y'all. Please post the comments below. Let me know what you think about the Wabi-Sabi ones. Also, let me know if you consider purchasing the Sacai Low Blazers in the patent leather. Like I said, that patent leather is not creasing after a couple of hard wears, so you know they definitely get the stamp of approval. But I want to know what you guys are feeling these days. You know, for me, I try to stay away from a lot of the hype. I'm an old head, so a lot of the things that I like are definitely a lot of the classics. I get a lot more excited about, you know, what's coming out for like an Air Trainer 1, like we said in the previous video. You know, Griffies that are dropping. You know, you've got the Scottie Pippens that recently released. I am a fan of those four, you know, the flights there. So I didn't get my hands on them, but I will definitely be checking them out. But as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Y'all be easy. Peace.